In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently use TradingView to set up and execute bracket orders with ease. By the end of this guide, you'll know how to open a chart, connect your broker, and utilize preset orders seamlessly, all from the comfort of your TradingView platform. Let's begin by logging into TradingView. Once you're in, navigate to the chart of the asset you'd like to trade. TradingView offers a comprehensive selection of charts, so you should be able to find the one that meets your trading needs. After your chart is open, direct your attention to the bottom of the screen where you'll find the trading panel. This is a powerful feature that allows you to connect your broker account directly to TradingView, streamlining your trading process. Make sure your broker is compatible and follow the prompts to link your accounts, which will let you execute trades quickly and efficiently. Now that your account is set up, let's move on to placing a new order. You'll notice options to click the buy or sell button either directly on the chart or within the trading panel. Clicking either option will open up the order window. This is where you'll specify the details of your trade. Next, you'll want to enable bracket orders. Bracket orders are fantastic because they allow you to automatically set a take profit and stop loss. These options can be found within the order window. Enabling bracket orders will give you peace of mind knowing that your trade will automatically close once it reaches predetermined levels, either locking in profits or minimizing losses. Speaking of which, let's set those take profit and stop loss levels. Enter your desired price points here. You can do this by setting specific price levels or defining a percentage distance from the current price. TradingView also gives you the flexibility to adjust these levels directly on the chart by simply dragging the horizontal lines to your preferred positions. This visual adjustment capability makes fine-tuning your strategy so much easier. Once you have your brackets perfectly set, it's a smart practice to save these settings for future use. Look in the order window for a button labeled Save Preset or Save Order Template. Clicking this will let you name your setup, perhaps something like my TPSL setup, so you can identify it easily later on. The next time you want to place an order, simply select your saved preset from the presets menu. This will automatically load your preferred take profit and stop loss settings, saving you time and ensuring consistency in your trading strategies. Finally, before finalizing any trade, make sure to review all the details of your order. Once you're satisfied that everything looks correct, go ahead and click Place Order. And there you have it, your order is successfully placed with all your carefully set conditions in place. Thank you for joining us today.